We need compound microscope. This is eyepiece of microscope, and this is stage. We need black paper, we need white pencil, we need a scale. This is camera lucida. So we can see there are three parts. This is attaching ring, this is a prism through which we have to look, and this is the mirror. So we have to attach this camera lucida to the microscope. We need chloral hydrate solution here. We have to put the leaf in this, and by boiling it, chlorophyll pigment will be removed in this by this chloral hydrate solution. This is the stage micrometer. Here we can see the circle, and in between this there is a scale, and this has been used to draw the square of 1 mm. Heating mantle, and in this heating mantle I have taken the chloral hydrate solution, and this is the senna leaf which we have to add into this, and we have to boil it. So the chloral hydrate will remove the chlorophyll pigment, and the veins will get exposed. Now what we have to do, we have to mount this camera lucida. So I am removing the eyepiece, and here I will be putting this camera lucida. So you can see that camera, I am inserting this camera lucida here, and now I will be putting this eyepiece over here again, and I have to place in such a way that this prism should be parallel. It should not be like this. There should not be any gap. So I will lower this and see to it that it touches completely and parallel. So now it has touched and it is parallel. The micrometer here. So if I look through eyepiece, I can see scale. So you can see these lines, black color lines. So it's a scale. Now you can see my hand moving here. So this is my hand moving here. You can see my hand, and below my hand, see this is my hand, and below my hand, whatever is the thing, that is black paper, and over that you can see scale. So concentrate carefully, you can see scale as well as my hand. So I will see this, this is my first zero line, this is one division, this is second division, this is third division, this is fourth division, and this is fifth division. I can see paper as well as slide. This slide is superimposed, or we can see over this paper I can see, and this is my zero line, this is first, this is second, this is third, this is fourth and fifth line. Now I will, once it is done, I will measure this distance from 0 to this, it comes 11. So I will draw a square of 11 centimeter here, and this is 0.5 because I was not able to see the complete scale. So 0.5 I have taken here. So this 11 centimeter square is here. Now we will go for the next step, that is we will take the beaker, and in this beaker already I have boiled the senna leaf, and now I will put the senna leaf over this slide. So now you can see this is senna leaf, and it is boiled in the chloral hydrate solution, and we can see the veins. So I will keep this slide on a stage of my compound microscope, and will observe through eyepiece and then prism. So it's look like this. I'm trying to focus it. I have adjusted it, and whatever the veins are here, it will be I have adjusted into this square, and now I will draw it. With the help of this camera lucida, I can see both the things simultaneously, paper as well as slide. So I will draw it, and now you can see this is my border of my square. So this is one vein touching here. This is the other vein, like this. This is the next vein. Vein is going like this, and I can see smaller veins also here. This is the next vein. This is the vein going here. So everything we can draw here properly. You can see here. One more vein. All minute things you can see. All smaller veins I can see. This is another vein taking here. So we have to determine the vein termination. So you can see this is the vein, it's coming here. So this is one termination, this is second termination, this is third termination, this is fourth termination. Likewise, we have to see 5, 6, 7, this is 8, this is 8, this is 9, this is 10, this is 11, this is 12. So total termination we saw. So 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, 6, 7, this is 8, 9, 10, 11, and this is 12. So total 12 terminations are there. So we have to multiply. This is 0.5 mm. So we will multiply it by 4. So vein termination number of the leaf is 48.